What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of recording WhatsApp video calls with audio. Whether you want to save a memorable conversation or keep important information for later, these steps will help you achieve that easily. Use the built-in screen recorder if available. Download a third-party app like AZ Screen Recorder or Mobizen. Use the built-in screen recording feature. Ensure your audio recording is enabled. Make sure you have enough storage space available for the recording. For Android, check if the recording app allows internal audio recording. For iOS, go to Settings, then Control Center, then Customize Controls and add Screen Recording. Open the Screen Recording app, set the recording options resolution, audio source, start the recording, open WhatsApp and initiate the video call. Tap on the notification bar and select the Stop Recording option. Check the gallery or the designated folder for recordings. Recording WhatsApp video calls can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Ensure you have the right tools, prepare your device, and remember to respect privacy when recording conversation. Now that you know how to record video calls, you can preserve important discussions for future reference. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.